Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes. So under this basic concepts of organic chemistry, today we are going to discuss the classification of organic compounds. So after explaining the classification of organic compounds, I would like to express how to write the organic compounds. This is one simple topic before this classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds are classified into various types. Anyway, majorly it is classified into two types. Simply say open chain compounds or closed chain compounds. First part, open chain or closed chain organic compounds. These open chain compounds are otherwise known as acyclic compounds because this compounds does not closed manner. The ring forming tendency not at all possible, hence they are said to be acyclic compounds. These compounds majority of these compounds consist of carbon and hydrogen, especially this acyclic compounds, acyclic or open chain. So carbon compounds mostly consist of carbon and hydrogen. So hydrocarbon CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, etc. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. This open chain compound. This compound is called normal pentane. Normal pentane. CH3, CCH3. CH3. This is isobutane. So these are the compounds not at all in the closed manner. Therefore, it is called as acyclic or open chain compounds. Acyclic or open chain compound. The second category, cyclic or closed chain or ring forming compounds. Cyclic compounds or closed compound or ring forming compounds. These are further classified into homocyclic compounds or carbocyclic compounds. Homocyclic compound or the carbocyclic compounds. Under this category, we discuss the alicyclic compounds. Listen, alicyclic compounds. So these compounds, the ring closed cyclic compounds. Cyclopropane. 3 carbon atoms. It is written like this: CH2, CH2, CH2. It is a ring closure takes place. Therefore, cyclopropane. Carbon number 4. 4 carbon atom means CH2, 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 CH2. Cyclobutane. Similarly, 5 carbon atoms. This is cyclopentane. 6 carbon atoms. Cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. And aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds means it must consist of a benzene ring, aromatic ring, benzene ring present in the compounds. Therefore, they are said to be aromatic compounds. The example for aromatic compounds, this is a benzene. Benzene. It is written like this: benzene. CH, 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 CH. Formula for benzene: C6H6. Benzene. And naphthalene. 2 benzene rings are close together. Naphthalene. It is simply written like this. This is naphthalene. Suppose 3 benzene rings are fused together. This compound is called anthracene. Benzene, naphthalene, anthracene are some examples for aromatic benzenoid compounds. So this can be explained future in a separate topic, benzenoid and non-benzenoid compound. Benzenoid and non-benzenoid compound. So benzene rings are not present. So this is a compound like this. It's another one, carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's alternatively single and double bond also present. So this is a non-benzenoid compound, and heterocyclic compound. The last category is heterocyclic compound. In addition to carbon and hydrogen, heteroatoms such as nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur are present in the ring are called heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compound. Example for this heterocyclic compound, this is furan, heteroatom, furan. This is thiophene, furan, thiophene are some examples of heterocyclic compounds. So what are heterocyclic compounds? Gives example. What are heterocyclic compounds? In addition to carbon and hydrogen, some other heteroatoms such as nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur are present in the ring are called heterocyclic compounds. So these are the some classification of organic compounds. So if you have any doubts, you may ask. Thank you.